Hey everybody, this is Eric Stark with Radio Arizona RV. See behind me the sign, radioarizonarv.com. That's my podcast website, so if you want to listen to a podcast about RV education and maintenance, check it out, radioarizonarv.com. And also, I'm coming to you from Victor, Montana today in my store, Highway 93 RV. See right here on my shirt, see on my hat, Highway 93 RV. So today we're going to talk about some rubber roofing products. Just a couple of them, not going to get into it in depth. Now, Dicor makes rubber roofs. They make all different kinds of rubber roofs. And I would say Dicor is the leader in rubber roof manufacturing. They have a great product and they have great accessories to go along with their roof for down the road, like this Diseal patch. So this is made by Dicor. It's a 6x6 inch patch made of rubber roof material or membrane. So if you get a tear in your roof, this is what you'd use to patch it. So we're talking a small tear here. Maybe you hit a branch and it tears it just a couple inches. You're on the roof and you're doing something and who knows what. You put a hole in it and there you go. Well, here's the patch that you're going to use to fix it. Now they also have it in a 6 inch by 25 foot roll as well. But generally this covers it. You know, the roll is for like you do something crazy or you're going around all your vents and putting it on the vents. Let's say you do a bunch of new vents on your RV and you want to make sure they're sealed up good. Some people will put the Diseal or a similar product around the vents after they're installed. They put this on and that just reinforces the seal, makes it much better. So there's a lot of uses for it other than just patching a hole in the roof, you know, around your vents, your skylights, etc. And then also, if you're on the roof, and you have a rubber roof, you're going to probably want to use some lap sealant from time to time, which this is used for resealing around your vents, skylights, plumbing vents, etc. Because it doesn't last forever. You start to get little cracks here and there, so you just fill in with this, maybe scrape off what you can. This stuff can get pretty hard to scrape off. So you want to, you know, just put on what you need to use, and it's self-leveling. So in other words, when you squeeze it out or, you know, use your caulking gun and it comes out, it doesn't come out in just a big blob and sits there. It levels itself out, so it thins out. It actually works really good, and that's what most factories use, or something very similar to it. And the reason why you want to use Dicor brand is because you probably have a Dicor roof, but even if it's another brand roof, these products are safe for rubber roofs. They're designed just for rubber roofs. You know, a lot of people go to Home Depot, Lowe's, they'll buy things there that aren't designed for rubber roofs, or they use silicone, different kinds of caulking, not designed for rubber roofs. It won't last as long, and it could actually damage the roof. So check these out. You can get them in any RV store. And if you want to learn more about it, go to my website, radioarizonarv.com. There's a couple of different podcasts about maintaining your rubber roof that get into this in much more in depth. So again, Eric Stark, Radio Arizona RV.